Doc, any advice po bago operahan yung hips ko? So, if you have already gone through the process, bago operahan yung patient for a hip replacement, of course, I would definitely advise you, Sir Keith, to get a second, third opinion. Wag magmamadali if you are going for a private doctor. But if you are already going for a Z package in a government hospital, it's always good to have a list of questions na gusto niyong itanong sa doktor niyo po. Questions like these, like the Z package, like the physical therapy, anong preparation kailangan gawin, those are all very good. But for a private patient, getting a second, third opinion is very important. Para sa akin, it lessens the anxiety and fear if you are going through a major surgery. You also want to talk to different doctors and give their own insight sa paano nila gagawin yung surgery. Because there are many ways to do a hip replacement surgery, and you want to be with someone kung saan kayo kampante, who you are comfortable with,